Today, we're dropping a tiny fish 50 feet deep into the water. Ah, no. Got it. Oh my God, what a save, guys. What a... Thank you, thank you. What a save. Fish on. He's slimy.
Are you gonna catch another fish?
I'm gonna try. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy FS Adventures and welcome back to another video. If you're new here or haven't already, do me a huge favor and smash that like and subscribe button because it really helps the channel out. For today, we're fishing the Potomac River. It could get really deep and at this spot, it's 50 feet deep. I'm gonna be dropping a tiny little bluegill I caught a couple fishing trips back. I have him in the freezer. We're gonna drop out some cut bait, drop out that bluegill and see what we hook into. Hopefully it's a giant. Wish me luck. We're gonna put this entire bluegill on here and cast it out. Hopefully we can get a giant. And that's the plan. All right, guys, the bluegill's out and I'm getting the bite. Let's see if he's still on it. I'm gonna set in 3, 2. Got him. Oh, it's deep. It's like 50 feet out there. It's gonna be one hell of a fight. It's tiny. Fish. Fish number 1 of the day, guys. A nice little cat. Yeah, you want to watch it swim away?
Yeah.
All right. Let's get this buddy going. And off he goes.
Are you gonna catch another fish?
I'm gonna try. All right. Alright guys, here we go. We got a fish on. I'm gonna set in 3, 2. Yep, we definitely got him. This one definitely feels better, guys. Definitely feels better. This is a good fish. Woo! It's a workout. Let's find out together. Yeah, we caught one, yeah. Yeah, we put it back, yeah. He's giving up, here we go. There he is. Fish number 2 of the day, guys. Everyone's going crazy out here. Here you go. Yes, it is, you're right. He is slimy. Here you go. All right, time to let him back. We gotta, let's let him go back in the water. All right, here we go. And off he goes. Other way. Other way, other way. There you go. Bye. I'm gonna try. Here we go. Let that thing go all the way down to the bottom. It's about 50 feet out there, possibly more. Look, the line is still going. That's crazy. All right, she's on bottom. A fish we await. Rod set. Let's take a seat and just enjoy the weather. Snack time. Dun, 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 dun. All right, guys, I just got bit again. Forgot to turn on the GoPro though. Feels like a solid fish. This time we got him on the spinning gear. A little more control. I don't think he's as big as the other ones, but he's fighting too. Strong fish. He's definitely not as big as none of the ones we caught earlier. Still a fish. Here we go, guys. Fish number 3 or 4? I'm not sure. 3 or 4, but I'll take it. Not bad. Just got smashed on the entire bluegill. 50 feet deep, baby. I'm gonna wait until I get a nice solid pull, and then I'm setting. Setting in 3, 2. Fish on. Woo. Definitely a workout pulling them in from 50 feet deep. It's a good fish, guys. Or I think better than the ones we caught earlier. Woo. Alright, we're gonna have to take our time with this guy. Don't want to lose him. Ah, no. No. Got it. Oh my God, what a save, guys. What a... Thank you. Thank you. What a save. Almost lost him. Whew. All right, let's get this guy back in the water. Off he goes. Look at that. Awesome fish. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we caught 4 catfish today, all from 50 feet deep. It was super fun. It was super lively. I enjoyed every second of it. And if you guys enjoyed it too, do me a favor and smash that like and subscribe button. And I'll see you on the next adventure. Peace.